Just come and check whether it is being recorded or not. Okay, English class got over, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I think this is the last class you are having for today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
How many classes you all have every day? 4 classes?
5.
5 classes?
5.
Okay. Okay, write it down. The heading which we had written in the last class was Swaraj in the plantation, right? Okay, continue from there. Put a dash, write Assam over there. Assam. First point, plantation workers. Satyam, please put on a video. Plantation workers lived a miserable life. Lived a miserable life, comma, confined and enclosed. Confined and enclosed. Full stop. Next point. Under. Sakshi Perthi, you have come just now. We are writing Swaraj in the plantation. Put a dash, write over there Assam. Then write the first line. Plantation workers lived a miserable life, confined and enclosed. Full stop. Next point. Under the inland, Inland Emigration Act, EMIGRATION, under the Inland Emigration Act of 1859, comma, workers were not permitted. Workers were not permitted to leave the tea gardens. To leave the tea gardens without permission. Without permission. Full stop. Next point. Next point. When they heard of non-cooperation movement of Gandhiji, Yuvika, leave 4 lines and then you start from this point. Third point for Swaraj in the plantation. When they heard of non-cooperation movement of Gandhiji, comma, thousands defied. DEFIED. Children, when you are coming late, na, then what you all are doing? You are the one who are being taxed because the meeting ends within 30 minutes. We have got the time of 30 minutes only. This Abhimanyu Marmot never he has come on time. If you people are late, then you people are going to miss out something because the meeting is going to end. When they heard of non-cooperation movement of Gandhiji, thousands defied the authorities. Thousands defied authorities and left the plantation. And left the plantation and headed head ed towards home full stop. Next point, they believed that in Gandhiji, in Gandhi Raj, not Gandhiji, in Gandhi Raj, everyone would be given land in their own village, would be given land in their own villages. Full stop. Next line, this is no point, this is fourth point only. However, comma, unfortunately, they were stranded, stranded, stranded on the way by a railway and steamer strike, were caught and brutally beaten, Full stop. Next subheading, write conclusion. People interpreted the term Swaraj. People interpreted the term Swaraj in their own ways. Comma, imagining it to be a time when all their sufferings and troubles, would end, end, full stop. Yet, next line, yet, when they all chanted, Gandhiji's name, chanted CHANTD, Gandhiji's name, and Swatantra Bharat, Swatantra, SWATANTRA, Swatantra Bharat. When they chanted Gandhiji's name and Swatantra Bharat, single quotation marks, comma, they were emotionally connected connected with a movement. Sorry, they were emotionally connected to an all Indian movement. They were emotionally connected to an all Indian agitation or movement, whatever movement, full stop. They they linked their movement, they linked their movement with a movement, with a movement which was which was beyond beyond their immediate locality, beyond their immediate locality. Suhani Ekagra Shreyas Tripathi video is not on. Beyond the limits of the immediate locality. Full stop. Next, part 3, towards civil disobedience. This completes your part 2. Towards civil disobedience. First point. In February 1922, towards civil disobedience, part 3. In February 1922, Mahatma Gandhi decided to withdraw decided to withdraw the non-cooperation movement. The non-cooperation movement, as it was turning violent. It was turning violent, and satyagrahis needed to be properly trained for mass struggle for mass struggle. Full stop. Next point. Some Congress leaders wanted to participate in elections to the provincial council. Pratishta Jivani, you are never on time. It is always when the half class gets over that you make your entry. I don't know for what you are coming after half of the class. Some Congress leaders wanted to participate in elections to the provincial councils under Government of India Act 1919. Government of India Act 1919. Full stop. They felt that they could oppose British policies within the council. Example, put a dash, C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru formed Swaraj Party. Formed Swaraj Party to contest elections. To contest elections. Full stop. Next point. Younger leaders. Younger leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose. And Subhash Chandra Bose stressed for, stressed, STRESSED, stressed for more radical mass agitation, more radical mass agitation. Mass agitation and for full independence. And for full independence. Full stop. Next point. Under such internal turmoil, under such internal turmoil, TURMOIL, turmoil and dissension, DISSENSION, under such internal turmoil and dissension, two factors shaped Indian politics. Two factors shaped Indian politics. Full stop. A point. A point now you write. Worldwide economic depression. Worldwide economic depression. Put a dash. Prices began to fall. Prices began to fall from 1926. And collapsed. And collapsed after 1930. After 1930, full stop, exports declined, comma, peasant found it difficult, peasant found it difficult to sell their harvest, to sell their harvest. Ishita Sood, Samriddhi Vijay, I think I should put you all in the waiting room. Anshul Jain, you also. Pratisha Jivani. Why you make your late entry, Vita? Ishita Sood, you have to be told every time or what? Why you need some kind of personal attention or what? That every time your name should be called out in the class. Others are fool and you are too smart. And Samriddhi Vijay, you are another one. Ekagra. Sit in the waiting room. Okay. Prices began to fall from 1926 and collapsed after 1930. Exports declined, peasants found it difficult to sell their harvest and pay their revenue. And the countryside was in turmoil. And the countryside was in turmoil. Full stop. B point. Okay, we are talking of two things that shaped the Indian politics in the year 1930. The British government set up a statutory commission. Statutory, Statutory. GT are there. Statutory commission under Sir John Simon. Under Sir John Simon to look into the functioning of the constitutional system in India and suggest changes. Full stop. The commission did not have, same point. The commission did not have a single Indian member. A single Indian member. Full stop. Next point. When Simon Commission arrived in India in 1928, it was greeted with the slogan. Single quotation marks, go back Simon. Go back Simon within single quotation marks. Full stop. Same point. All parties participated in the demonstration. All parties participated in the demonstration, to win the support of Congress. To win the support of Congress, Viceroy, Lord Irwin, IRWIN. Lord Irwin announced in October 1929. For a dash, dominion status, single quotation marks again, dominion status for India. In future, and a round table conference to discuss the matter. Full stop. This did not satisfy the Congress leaders. Put a dash again. Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose were assertive. ASSERTIVE were assertive. Suhani and Rinjin, please keep a record, please keep a track record when we are going to resume the classes from Monday onwards. That year we had ended. Okay, towards civil disobedience, fifth point we have done. From here only we are going to pick up. Okay, so just now I'm going to